Hello, my name is Helmut Erler and I'm cutting a world premiere tonight. It's the first master cut done through SimuLathe software on this VMS 66 vintage original Neumann lathe here in LathesVille studio. I'm so happy, so let's get going. Yes! Time and start! It's working! Yay! We did it! Wow! Yeah! Boom! Hey! Yay! Working! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, 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 woo, woo. The lady's cutting right now. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa.
What a time to be alive. I'm gonna take it from the top. What a time to be alive. We're crying drop by drop. What a time to be alive at the top of my lungs. I scream. What a time to be alive. Take all the benefits of the worst things ever expected. I have tried to survive. I've sailed the 7 seas. I have cried and then reconnected. I have run miles and miles, standing in my shed. My mind flies, assessing the chances. I have slept like a brick over the centuries, losing count of the things I missing. All the things that I'm missing. And I say, come on over, touch my hand. Run with me, the planet's in. Life's a crap, but that's okay. It's part of the game. Come to play.
Wow! Woo, woo! Yeah, yeah! Yee! Woo! Do you see the groove? Yeah, yeah! It's cutting, it's cutting, it's cutting, yeah, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
What a
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Woo, woo! Yeah,
to
yeah!
be alive, we'll cry and drop by drop. What a time to be alive at the top of my lungs. I scream.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Woo! Track rock! Time and
What a time to be alive. I'm gonna take it from the ground. Oh, what a time we'll cry and drop by drop.
Yeah,
What a time to be alive at the top of my lungs. I scream.
Did it,
At the top of my lungs, I scream.
Track mark now! Yo!